2021 Ford Explorer, we're going to be replacing the air filter, which is right here. There's going to be two clips on this side. You're going to remove the clip from here. There's going to be another one on this side as well. Oh, that one's already off. And then you're going to push back on the box from the top. You're going to be able to release it. And now we're going to remove this connector right here. And we're going to undo this clamp right here so we can take off the box. We'll be using a flathead screwdriver. Turn it counterclockwise, loosening it until it's a little bit loose. Then you can remove the top of the box. Just like that. And here we have the air filter. You pop that out. If there is debris inside the box, go ahead and vacuum it out. Get your brand new air filter. You can either put it this way or this way. There is no direction. Make sure it goes face down though. Install the top cover. Put it in the hooks first, and it slides down. Pull back on this air tube a little bit. Push it all the way down, and then you can go ahead and install the tube. Clip it down first to make sure it doesn't move. Make sure the tube is fully seated. Tighten it down by turning the flathead screwdriver clockwise. Make sure it's nice and tight. And you put the connector back in. The rubber grommet insulation came out. And that's it. That's how you install an air filter on a Ford Explorer.